Let's do this thing. All right, so what we have to do here is find the area of the composite figure. All right, so composite figure meaning they just put it all together. We have to find it. All right, I'm going to start with this picture right here. That looks like a square, a rectangle to me. All right, to do that, it looks like a rectangle. So what I'm going to do right here. And it looks like they gave me this 8 here and 20 here. So the formula is base times the height. So that will be just multiply those two numbers. 8 times 20, A equals 160. All right, save that. Now I'm going to go do the other color, the other shape, which is this one right here. That looks like a triangle to me. All right, I'm just going to put the dimension that they give me. It looks like we have a 17 here. It looks like we have an 8 here. But sadly, I don't have the bottom here, the base, question mark. To find the base, you're going to go back to what you learned from me, which was the a squared plus the b squared equals c squared. We call this Pythagorean theorem. Because the c is given, c is always diagonal from the right angle. Because the c is given, you can just do a shortcut, 17 squared minus the other number, which is what, 8? 8 squared. If you plug all that in your calculator, that should give you 15. 15. So the base is 15. So let's go back here. The formula was what? A equals base times height divided by 2. All right. So now I do have the base, which is the 15. That 15 goes right here. 15 times the height of the triangle, which is 8 divided by 2. What do I get when I do all of that? I will get 15 times 8 divided by 2. I get 60. That goes right here. All right, now to the final answer, because you're trying to find the area of the shaded region. The shaded region, if that's the one, let me use the black color here real fast. Sorry, got it. It's the 160 and the 60. So you need to add them together. We get 220 as the area of the shaded region. Don't forget, feet square. All right, so that was the first one. Let's do the second one. So with number 2, for the second one, I have the following. I'm going to use red again. Let's go with red. All right, so we have a triangle. All right, so for the triangle, I'm going to redraw here. It looks like 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. All right, area is base times height divided by 2. Let's check to make sure we have everything in place. Do I have the base? Yep, I got the 10. Check. Do I have the height? No, I don't have the height. The height is not here. This one right here. That's missing. All right, so we're going to have to do some work for that. So here we go. Here's a triangle. The 10 is here, right? And what is this distance right here? Do you want to guess what this distance would be? That would be 5. And then I'm trying to find the height. Here's a right angle. Opposite to the right angle is 10. So I'm going to use what I was telling you. Remember, it used to be a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? Because the c is given, you can just do this 10 squared minus the other number, the 5 squared. If you plug all of that in your calculator, right? You plug all of that in your calculator, you should be getting 43. No, let me do 10 times 10 is 100 minus 25. And then let's get the square root of that. That should give you 8.6. That is the height. The 8.6 goes right here. All right, that's the height. So let's go back to red. Let's do this thing. So I have area equals base times height divided by 2. And now I have the base. The base, oh, I always had the base. The base was 10. Now I did all that math just to get the height, which is this one right here, the 8.6. Divide that by 2, you get 43. 43 is for this one right here. All right, cool. Hey, I got another one. I have a semicircle. Semicircle only means half of the circle. All right, let's do it here. Semicircle. Formula. Pi times radius squared, because this will be for the full circle, because I have a half circle, you divide that by 2. All right, cool. Pi radius. So this right here is also 10, right? So it's 10, but the radius would be half of that. So that's 5. Right? Put this whole thing in your calculator. Pi times 5 square. 5 pi times 5 square times that, you get what? 39.25. All right, that is 39.25. All right, all you have to do now, add them up. Add them up. Add them up. So you're going to add up your 43 plus your 39.25. We get 82.25. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done. All right, cool. Now, go and practice the next one and let me know once you have each